Ladies and gentlemen, you must have heard it. Europe stands between the East and the West in a battle over raw materials. Our industries and our societies are powered by metals, but resources are not evenly divided, and that is sending ripples across the globe. Electrification, defense, AI, all are critically dependent on metals. This is the landscape the Sofi Alchemist works with. We've started with gold, with copper and nickel being some of our target elements moving forward. This, ladies and gentlemen, is actually a $1 trillion business opportunity. But why should we care? Don't we have mines in Europe to produce these metals? Yes, we do. But up to 20% of these valuable metals are lost at a mineral processing plant. In gold, that's a 60 billion annual market. We've started with gold, hailing from the north, the metal treasure chest of Europe, and we recently established our first international partnership in Turkey. We're moving forward into other international areas through local, strong strategic partnerships. How do we do this? So a conventional mine excavates the ore. The ore goes through multiple processing steps in order for us to produce something called a mineral concentrate. That is where you have the valuable metals. But in these processes, fine particles escape into water and cannot be separated by conventional methods. This is where the Alchemist comes in. We introduce our filtration technology in order to capture those very fine particles to produce up to 20% more concentrate and clean processed water at the same time. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Oh no, it's not just the proprietary, patented, advanced, unique ultrasonic self-cleaning filtration technology that we have, but it's also in the way we do business. We build, we own, and operate, thus taking the investment off the table for the mining companies, speeding adoption of new technology in an industry that is notoriously slow in adopting anything new. A lot has happened in the past 18 months. We've discovered, we've demonstrated, and now we're building the foundation of an international business. We target 73 million euros by 2031, but our business is a different animal. We don't sell equipment, we sell value, and 80% of this will be recurring revenue. We're now raising our Series A, 5 million to grow our service fleet and scale internationally to break even and build a profitable business. Thank you.